car in this one, Mills Parton. Beat him off third, followed by Greg Leonard in second. Charles West third. Jeff Ho fourth. Tommy Elmer fifth. Daryl Weaver sixth. And we're off and running. All right, oh, watch out. Looks like Tommy got a little throttle happy there, and he's back in it though. Plenty of time. Anything can happen here in New Red Hobbies. Caution at 4, stay low through 4. It's Mills, Greg, Charles, Daryl, Jeff, and Tommy at the line. Caution in 1 and 2, and we're clear. Caution out of 4, caution out of 4. Stay high off of 4. And we're clear. Landed it. Bet you can't do that again. It's Greg and Mills battling out for the lead here. Once again, top 2 bump. Charles back 6 seconds in third. Daryl in 4. Tommy back half a second in 5th. Starting to make his way back to the front here. Got a fast ride. You just got to keep it together. Caution on front straight. Caution on front straight. Take it low in front. And we're clear. Greg Leonard showing the way. New fast lap of the race, a 6:03. Mills with a 6:06. Charles 6:19. Elmer 6:04. Caution in 3. Go high to 3. High to 3. Middle of 3 now. And we're clear. .245 down, 1:15 to go. Greg Leonard showing the way. 47 lap run here. Mills in second. Caution in 2, caution in 2. Charles back 2.7, trying to get that final transfer spot. Now he's got it because Mills looks like he might have been upside down. Elmer back 3.9 and 4, so a 3-way battle for that final transfer spot with just under a minute to go. Daryl back a lap, maybe 2 in 5th. Jeff behind him by a couple more in 6th. Caution in 1, caution in 1, stay low in the 1, low in the 1. Not sure who that is. We'll find out here with 30 seconds to go. It's Greg, Charles, Mills back 1.1, 15 seconds. Can Mills get up there? Make a pass. Elmer back 2.4 in. Caution 3, go high through 3 and 4. We're clear, go low through 2, low through 2. That is time, race it to the line. Shut it down, shut it down. You guys aren't going to believe it. Greg Leonard, 37 laps, getting that first spot. Tommy Elmer sneaking it through by .03 on the last corner. Charles West in 3rd, Mills in 4th. Wow, Daryl 5th, Jeff in 6th. Woo! Holy moly, what a finish, guys.